You open your eyes and stare at the ceiling for a moment. Today isn't just another Monday. Today is your first day as a police officer. You've spent months training for this moment, learning the law, practicing emergency procedures, and preparing for situations you hope you'll never face. But training is over. In less than an hour, you'll wear the uniform for the very first time. By the end of today, you'll understand why this job is about far more than catching criminals, because every decision you make could change someone's life. The sun hasn't fully risen yet. You put on your dark blue uniform, tighten your duty belt, and pin your badge onto your chest. It feels surprisingly heavy, not because of its weight, but because of what it represents: responsibility, trust, service. As you leave your home, your heart beats just a little faster. Today, everything becomes real. The police station is already buzzing with activity. Officers greet one another. Radios crackle with updates. Patrol cars roll out one by one. You take a deep breath before stepping inside. During the morning briefing, supervisors review overnight incidents, highlight areas needing extra patrol, and assign officers to their shifts. Since it's your first day, you're paired with an experienced field training officer, often called an FTO. An FTO isn't just a partner, they're your mentor. They'll guide you through real situations, answer your questions, and help you learn how to make sound decisions under pressure. Before leaving the station, every piece of equipment is checked: your radio, flashlight, body camera, protective vest, patrol vehicle. It might seem routine, but these checks matter. A dead flashlight or faulty radio could become a serious problem when seconds count. Your FTO smiles and says, "The safest officers are the ones who prepare before anything happens." You climb into the patrol car. The engine starts. Your first shift has officially begun. The city slowly wakes up as you drive through the streets. At first, everything feels surprisingly normal. People walk to work, cars move through intersections, stores open for the day. You quickly realize something important. Most of police work doesn't happen during dramatic moments. A large part of the job is simply being present, watching, listening, helping. Your FTO explains that every call matters, even the ones that seem small. Because to the person asking for help, it may be the most important moment of their day. Your first call comes through the radio, a report of a minor traffic accident. Your heart beats a little faster, not because it's dangerous, but because it's your first real response as an officer. You arrive at the scene and see two vehicles stopped on the side of the road. The first thing you learn is that police work begins with observation before asking questions. You look. Is anyone injured? Is the road safe? Could there be another danger nearby? Your FTO reminds you. Slow down your mind before you speed up your actions. You speak with the drivers, collect information, and help keep the situation calm. Nobody is seriously hurt. The paperwork takes time. The conversations take patience. But when you leave, you understand something. Not every successful police interaction involves an arrest. Sometimes success means preventing a bad situation from becoming worse. As the shift continues, more calls come in. A lost child at a crowded street, a noise complaint between neighbors, a person needing help finding their way home. Each situation is different. Each person has a different story. You expected policey work to be about chasing suspects, but now you're seeing another side: communication, problem solving, understanding people. Your FTO explains that officers often arrive when people are stressed, angry, scared, or confused. The challenge isn't just knowing the law, it's knowing how to use that knowledge wisely. During a quiet moment in the patrol car, you look at your badge again. Earlier, it felt heavy because of the responsibility. Now it feels different. You begin to understand why. A badge isn't just a symbol of authority. It's a reminder that people trust you during some of their most difficult moments. The afternoon passes quietly. Then suddenly, the radio changes everything. A priority emergency call comes in. Your FTO's expression immediately changes. This isn't a routine situation. The patrol car turns on its lights and moves quickly through the streets. Your training takes over. You remember the procedures. Stay calm. Communicate clearly. Follow instructions. As you approach the scene, you realize this is the moment every officer prepares for. Not because they want something dramatic to happen, but because they know someone may need their help. You step out of the vehicle. Your surroundings become quieter. The training you've spent months practicing suddenly becomes real. Your FTO takes the lead while guiding you through each step. Assess the situation. Protect people nearby. Gather information, make careful decisions. There is pressure, there is uncertainty, but there is also teamwork. Minutes later, the situation begins to calm down. The emergency is handled. No perfect movie moment, no dramatic celebration, just a group of people doing their job and helping someone who needed it. As you walk back to the patrol car, your FTO looks at you. You handled yourself well. It's only a few words, but after your first major call, they mean everything. The sun begins to set as you return to the station. Your first day is finally coming to an end. You remove your equipment and place it back where it belongs. The same uniform that felt unfamiliar this morning now feels different. You think about everything that happened: the traffic accident, the everyday calls, the emergency situation, the conversations with strangers. You came into this job thinking being a police officer was about responding to danger. Now you understand it's much bigger. It's about responsibility, patience, trust. Before leaving, your FTO gives you one final piece of advice. Remember, every person you meet is having a day you know nothing about. Treat them with respect. You walk out of the station. The badge is still the same. The uniform is still the same. But you are different. Because today wasn't just your first day wearing the uniform, it was your first day understanding what it truly means.
Final message.
Being a police officer isn't only about enforcing laws, it's about protecting communities, making difficult decisions, and helping people when they need it most. The first day is only the beginning, because every shift brings a new challenge, and every decision creates a new story. This was your first day as a police officer. Tomorrow, it could be something completely different. So, what career should we explore next? Leave your suggestion in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for the next adventure. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep learning.